Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Edu Smart. Today I'm back with another interesting opportunity for you all. It is all about Geeks for Geeks free online courses which are about to start in January 2021. So these courses are Python as well as C++. Let us deep dive into this. Before we do that, I have a small recommendation for you. If you are new to my channel, please do watch my other videos, and if you are looking for online courses, certifications and off-campus drives, placements, preparation, etc. If you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to watch my other videos. If you like them, do subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss such an updates. Okay, let's get started with today's video. So as I mentioned, this is from Geeks for Geeks. I know it's your favorite website, right? So you can get Python as well as C++. Now let us see the Python course. So it is absolutely free and you will get a course completion certificate at the end, and it is track-based learning, and the course is to begin from you can see this. You just need to click on this register button. Will be beginning from 1st January 2021. You can provide your email address, name and contact number and all, and click that register. That's how you will be registering for this. Talking about Python, you can see the basic library, string library, and what are the functions available, what are the syntaxes available that you need to use for these are all mentioned in this course that will be available for you. And talking about C++, so in C++, you will be getting to know STL library and the basic syntaxes that are required. And if you are looking to get into competitive programming, this is really going to help you a lot, because they are going to discuss the hacks in C++. So it is not just for programming, competitive programming. If you wanted to use programming in your daily life, you wanted just development part, your college placements, everywhere, this course is going to help you a lot. So I recommend you to use this opportunity. You can see the basics, string as well as bit manipulation, vector, algorithm, maths. You can see the required basics for competitive programming is all discussed really well in this. So this is going to be a kickstart for your competitive programming. So really this is going to help you. You can get to know the inbuilt libraries inside C++. Like you can elaborate or you can explore STL much better in this course. So this is a great opportunity for you. Again, this is also beginning from 1st January 2021. I have provided the links for both the courses in the description box below. You just need to click on that link and you will be redirected to my blog, and you can check out the link for the two courses, and please do enroll for it. Also, if you like it, do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.